I'm not about to start any jollof wars right now, but the best jollof is to Nigeria as pasta is to, yes, the Italians. And if you guess right, we're making pasta or spaghetti in this video. Even if you're just a beginner and you've never made spaghetti before, well, I'll be showing you a budget-friendly spaghetti that you can make that will still taste sumptuous and really delicious. So stick around to the end of the video and make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Now in a medium-sized pot, I've added in my oil, I've sauteed my onions, even though my kids don't like onions, but I just make sure there's a flavor onion brings. So I really don't know why they don't like it. But anyways, I've sauteed my onions for about 2 to 3 minutes. And you want to make sure that you keep stirring and keep looking at it so it doesn't turn brown, which is a mistake I see some people make sometimes. And I've also added in my tomato paste. Next is I'll be adding in some bay leaves. I mean, in this video, I think I made a mistake. I should have added it on before because I like my bay leaves to just be infused in the oil and all of that. But anyway, I've added it on. And you won't believe that this bay leaf I've used has been for about, I think since we moved here, which is a really long time. They really lasted a long time. I just give everything a good mix and just make sure that it's frying on low heat. You don't want high heat on this. Very low heat. Twist it, turn it, take it up, take it down, front, back, shake the pot. If that will help, or if that will be helpful for you. And then I've done that for about another 3 minutes again, and now I've added in my oil. Now for my pasta, I just like roughly blended pepper, so it's not pepper like the one that you just put on maybe rough or pulse when you're blending. No, I don't want that one, but I don't like it too smooth. This is how I like my pepper, just for pasta. It's not everything. For jollof, I don't like my pepper like that, but for pasta, I make sure that it's a rough blend, just looking coarse a bit. Possibly what I do most times is to oven grill. Oof, that just takes it to another level, honestly. And then after that, I begin to add in my spices. I added in this really nice Tesco blend or garlic. It's all blended up, so I like it. It's a dry one. I added I used to call this salt Saka salt. If you don't know, Saka is a footballer. Is a British or English footballer, but he's also Nigerian. So yeah, I just thought to drop that in there. And then this aromat, oh my god, this Knorr Aromat is fantastic. I always add that to almost every meal I make. It just has this way of, as the name implies, aromas. There's just this aroma that comes or fills the whole house when I'm using it. It just umps, if you understand my umps, the meal and takes it a notch higher. Just stir again, tasting it, stir and stir and stir, and just making sure that this is your spaghetti or anything you're even doing using a stew or pepper base for has to be top notch. I mean, it's that base that makes your jollof rice, it's the base that makes your spaghetti, it's the base that makes everything. Once you get the base right, like you get the right mixture, you get the right taste, trust me, your jollof is going to bang, or your fried rice, or your jollof rice that you're going to make. And here I just decided to go for a break while all of that is frying, and just making sure it's on very, very low heat. And also whilst that is frying, I also make sure my spaghetti, now that is the main or the secret ingredient to making a stir-fry spaghetti. When your pepper mix is almost ready, you want to make sure that you have your spaghetti also cooking at the same time. That is, see, once you miss that spaghetti part, it's soggy, it comes out soggy, it's soft, forget it, you missed that stir fry mix. So stick to the end to watch out for how I do that. But here is me just being in the spirits, following Upper Room. Do you guys follow Upper Room anyways? Upper Room, Lagos or Abuja. I just find out that anyone that he does, I always just jump. There's something about just following me, so just saying. It just has a word sometimes, or most times for my season, like so many times. I can't count the number of times that has happened. So yeah, we're just watching, and whilst all of that is getting prepped in the kitchen, I'm just sat here and praising God, thanking God for the year, and just following things through. Now here I've already added in the spaghetti. The spaghetti I always like to use is whole wheat pasta. I don't like to use or that's the decision we took, I think sometime last year or the end of this. Was it this year or last year? I really can't remember. But yeah, I prefer to use whole wheat spaghetti, which is like the brown one, healthier, instead of the white spaghetti. And in case you're wondering whose spaghetti is by this side, is my son. He doesn't like jollof spaghetti. He likes white, like plain white with no stew. So that's what I'm just trying to cook for him. But your spaghetti has to be on point, not soggy, just well done enough to be able to continue the cooking on when you add in the pepper to it. Now whatever you do, please don't put your pasta inside cold water. Like don't even try it, because that would take it from stir fry to just normal spaghetti. There's nothing special again about that spaghetti. So let me know if you'll be trying this recipe in the comment section. Probably, I don't know why we have not had spaghetti as a national dish for Christmas also, just like we have jollof. Do you think that this should come close, or spaghetti should come close to having jollof? So at this point, you can put whatever it is you want on your spaghetti. Ours, we just had it with chicken. I didn't want any extra drama or anything. I wasn't in the mood for that. It was just a plain simple spaghetti that I was trying to achieve. So there you have it, folks, and I will see you on Vlogmas Day 20, and it's 5 days to Christmas. Wow. Merry Christmas in advance. Bye.